Have you ever stopped to think that our environment is a cocktail of pollutants and toxins? From the air we breathe to the water we drink, the food we eat, the soaps and lotions we put on our skin, and the household cleaning products we buy and use every day are full of toxins, and your sick body and mind are telling you that they desperately need daily nourishment and cleansing. They're screaming that they need a reboot on a cellular level. Welcome to the Pro Product Review channel, and today we're going to talk about Seatox. We've prepared a full review video with the secret truths you need to know before buying Seatox. I also have some important warnings that I'll talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so you don't make any mistakes when using or buying Seatox. Have you ever imagined the possibility of renewing your cells and going back in time? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, doesn't it? But believe it or not, science is revealing that this idea may not be as far off as we think. If any of the following describes you, it's probably because your cells are toxic. You've been feeling chronically tired, with low energy and a lack of motivation, no matter how much sleep you get. You've done everything your doctor recommended. You constantly feel like you've forgotten something, or have foggy thoughts. No matter what you do, you're always fighting a feeling of bloating in your gut. You constantly feel pain in your joints and fragility in your bones. You're tired of popping a bunch of pills and swallowing disgusting powders that claim to help. And yet you still don't feel better. You must be frustrated and tired of failed solutions because nothing seems to be working. You don't need another expensive prescription from your doctor again. Instead, it's time for a change. It's time to do something that works. You just need to know the right nutrients your cells need to help repair themselves. It really is as simple as removing the bad and putting in the good. Your body is under constant attack from toxins, and the older you get, the harder it is to revocate. Fortunately, we've found an effective solution to these problems. The product we're going to look at today is Seatox. Seatox is a powerful 2-in-1 blend that helps cleanse cells and, at the same time, provides them with the proper nutrients they need to repair and renew. The cells undergo a thorough reboot, generating good general health and vitality throughout the body. Seatox is a symphony of nature's best, over 40 minerals, 11 vital vitamins, all 9 essential amino acids, 20 other amino acids, 6 distinct enzymes, 3 bioelements, combined with antioxidants and phytonutrients, 93 nutrients, all nestled in our exclusive blend of 7 wild-harvested sea vegetables. How can Seatox benefit you? Seatox acts as an anti-aging, improves gas elimination, gives immune support, increases energy, improves memory, makes the heart, eyes, skin, hair healthy person loss, healthy immune system, reduces stress. There are many people who have excellent results with Seatox, including on the official website, which contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used Seatox, and you can have results too. Best of all, Seatox has a 60-day guarantee. If you don't see results or don't like it for any other reason, they'll give you 100% of your money back. So don't worry about using Seatox, but make sure you buy it from the official website to guarantee the benefits of the guarantee. To help you, I've left the official website in the description. With so many benefits presented to you about Seatox, I ask you, what are you waiting for? It's time to start your cell renewal journey and discover the power of turning back time. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that Seatox really does help to improve your overall health. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.